In this video, I will show you how to secure your Facebook account. So the first step is to simply open your Facebook app on your mobile device and then simply tap on menu right here at the bottom. Now the next step is to go to your settings. So simply tap on settings and then you're gonna have to go to accounts center. So tap on that, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and tap on password and security. And as you can see here, you have this option which is two-factor authentication. Now before you tap on that and you proceed to enable this, you're gonna have to make sure that no one has access to your Facebook account. So you're gonna have to scroll down and tap on where you're logged in. So basically here you're gonna have to select your Facebook account, and here you can see all the devices. Now if you find a device that is suspicious, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on select devices, and then you're gonna have to select it and then simply tap on logout. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to make sure that you change the password. So go here where it says change password and change your Facebook password. Now after you do that, you can go back and then tap on two-factor authentication. And then you're gonna have to select your Facebook account and then simply enter your password. So I'm gonna enter my password really fast. So let's see if this is the one. So basically now after you do that, as you can see, you have different options. So you can use an app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft, or you can use additional methods. Now I recommend you to use the app, the Google app, because it's one of the best. And you can also use a backup method, so you can basically receive every time you try to log in a message on your mobile number, and only with that code you can log in. So you can enable that if you want by simply tapping on text message. Now what you're gonna have to do for today's video, I'm gonna enable this option here. So simply tap on this, and then here, as you can see, I already have an app connected. So all you have to do is simply enable this and then tap on add. Then here you're gonna have to name it. So I'm gonna name it test. And basically you're gonna receive this code here. With this code, so you're gonna have to copy this key, and then you're gonna have to simply open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Google Authenticator, and then install this app right here. Then simply open it, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on the plus button and then simply tap on enter a setup key. Then you're gonna have to name it Facebook and then simply paste the key that you just copied. So let me go back here. I'm gonna copy this and then tap on add, and basically we have it here at the bottom, as you can see. Now simply tap on next, and now we're gonna have to verify this. So I'm gonna copy this number and I'm gonna paste it, then tap on next again, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.